Hello everyone, my name is Nadine. I'm the owner of NG Platinum Homes and welcome. Today we're going to be talking about the 4 bathroom must-haves that you want to add to your bathroom when having a renovation done in your home. So the number one thing I'm going to talk about is extra storage. So I have talked about this particular thing in other videos, and as far as extra storage is concerned, I would say if you have a good carpenter, go ahead and have him build a countertop tower for your vanity. What this does is allows lots of extra storage space for things like shavers, toothpaste, towels, or anything else that you need for that. So adding that extra storage is definitely a must-have in your bathroom. Number 2, another thing that a lot of people don't think about is towel warmers. And this is a great addition to the bathroom because, as we know, when you get out of the shower, you would love to have that luxurious warm towel to wrap up in. So there's 2 different types of towel warmers that you can get in your bathroom. The first one is you can have your electrician hardwire it, which is pretty simple. Yes, it does add extra electrical costs, but it's much better than seeing a cord, having it plugged into the wall, which is the second option. If, say, you already had your bathroom renovated and you want to just add this to your bathroom, you can easily buy a towel warmer and then just plug it into an outlet, and that's great. The third one is going to be heated floors. So we have put these in a few bathrooms here in South Texas. It's not something that's necessarily wanted or needed because it's obviously hot here, but I think if you live in a relatively cold place, putting in a heated floor in your bathroom is definitely a wonderful addition. It gives it a very luxurious experience and it's a beautiful thing. So consider adding that to your bathroom renovation. And then lastly, another thing that you must have in your bathroom when renovating is putting in a smart toilet. And what this is basically it's a whole toilet that has a heated seat, lots of great features. It has bidets and even some special things like self-cleaning, which if you're one of those women that get crazy with her husband putting the toilet seat up, not cleaning it, it actually has auto open and close. So that's a great addition for you to consider when renovating your bathroom. So there's my 4 bathroom must-haves when you're doing a renovation that you would like to add. Hope you found these helpful. Until then, keep designing your life and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.